there's strategy, there's what you would consider, like management consulting, there's technology, there's a bunch of different things. And at the time, my school was recruiting for all of them. So you didn't really know which group you were going for, which was very confusing at the time. And they placed me in a group that I didn't really want to be in, right? I wanted to be in strategy, and I had the strategy offer from the other firm. So I was like, okay, I need to be in strategy and I want to be in New York. And that's kind of where I kind of landed.
Tell me why you wanted to be in strategy versus the other groups. And if you can tell me a little bit more about the other groups and why you kind of, when you had that leverage, why you used it to get into strategy. What was your thought process?
Yeah. So my thought process was, I don't know how long I'm going to be in consulting, right? I don't know how many years I want to do this. I know banking and consulting, everybody gets burned out. And I wanted to be in the strategy group because the projects were shorter sprints. They allowed me to meet more clients, develop new skills, and kind of just have a faster pace and I thought a higher growth trajectory at the time. Whereas some other groups, you may be on a project for like 6 to 8 months. And granted, you might learn so much on that project that may be great for you. But, as a young undergrad, I was like, okay, I want to be exposed to as many different companies, as many different industries as possible, right? Because I didn't really have a fix on which industry or which group, necessarily, or which function I really wanted to be aligned to.
You want reps. You want reps.
I wanted reps, man. That's what it was. And I knew that strategy was reps compared to other groups.